Would you be loved and be loved?
Hey guys, good morning. So I decided to do a little vlog today. I've been wanting to do a vlog like this, go to the beach, but I don't have anybody to go with. So I made up my mind that I'll go alone because nobody's coming with me, and I'm not gonna make that stop me from doing this vlog. So come on with me guys. Me I go that way, but because the sun is shining this way, I can't turn like this. It's go too dark. See? So alright, so this is my neighbor Molly. Hi. Shit, bro. Alright guys, so I am here at the beach now, finally. So Molly decided to come with me guys. Golden Shore, the name of the beach is Golden Shore. I'll give you a overview of the hotel later on, but right now I just want to dip in the water guys, so come with me. All right, so, yeah. Just reach at the beach and this fisherman I tell me say one crocodile in the water. Oh, so this is not safe at all. This way.
See body that's right there, sir?
I don't see nothing.
We a team I go out there.
So him say the crocodile.
Look, sir. Look there, sir. See him out there?
Oh, me see him. See the people. People, so there is a crocodile in the water and I don't want to go in there. I'm not going in there. That wasn't bad, people. Listen, I take a one jog, we're afraid. I can't come to the beach and don't go in the water. So, I chance it right now. Chance it. Alright people, so I do this clip already, but the video man never get when I climb the tree, so I have to do it over back to make you see. So follow me. I not even remember when I did it the first time. I just want to see what can go up in the tree. This is my big climber. Jump.
Jump again.
People, I pick the jelly, but I don't have any machete. But you're going to pound it on the stone. Come with me. I'll be inside with this, so you have to just utilize it. Just come some. Wait. I'm pounding it, so. No, it's a hard wash off. when you come on beach, you get a good liquor. Alright people, so I reached to the end of this video. I didn't do much because something did in the water and me never want, you know. Anyway, so this is the hotel, Golden Shore. If you want to book a room here, you can go on their website, Golden Shore, www.goldenshoreresort.com, or you can follow them on Instagram. It's very nice here. As you can see, the hotel is here and the beach is right there. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a shot of the property outside, but before that, let me just take a wash up here a second. I'm not come back around here, so I really don't know who they met this pipe for, cause me tall and look on the pipe. But anyways, we have to go on it. Little vlog beach, whatever you call it. And somebody's Spanish. Yeah, them sell a lot